So I'm going to main market. Kaijin main market. Let's go to main market. Let me show you guys around. I mean the level of demolition going on in main market. I don't want to say something, but I think with time maybe we're still enjoying all this new development. What my eyes saw there. Hey, yanyam for the main market. We even markosum. Mbasro kefu. Akwa main market be here. Johnson kaibata. Nepanye funa aka netiri. Demolition is still going on. The main market Onitsha. Onitsha main market in Anambra State, Nigeria. This is the Johnson Tower. Security Johnson Tower being brought down to arches. How do you go after God? My government. You can imagine what is happening. I thought it was all a joke, but now I can see that it's a truth. I mean, audio, just watch and see. I want to keep quiet so that you can take a clue of the environment.